Yes. Look at these toes. Look at them. You got them?
Yep.
It's the Venus flytrap of feet. Watch. And clinch. I can't get my feet out. It's funny, isn't it? Your feet are funny.
The Buddha belly. 8 weeks old.
There she goes.
Look at those toes. Dang. Oh.
It's okay.